The liquid state of matter. Revision notes by Decroly Education Center. The matter is made up of very small particles called molecules. Molecules are made up of a number of atoms of either the same or different elements which are bonded together. Matter exists in the three states of solids, liquids, and gas. The physical difference between these three states lies in the arrangement and behavior of their molecules. These differences can be explained in terms of the kinetic theory model, which states that matter is made up of very small particles called molecules. These molecules are in constant motion. The degree of movement, which is the measure of kinetic energy, depends upon the temperature. The higher the temperature, the faster the molecules move, and therefore the higher the kinetic energy. Notice that the heat energy of a substance is the total kinetic energy of all the molecules or atoms of that substance. Liquids. Molecules in a liquid are more widely spaced than in a solid, are also vibrating to and fro about their mean position. Their intermolecular force is weak and the molecule's movement is free. This enables them to take the shape of the containing vessel. Under the same temperature conditions, the intermolecular forces of attraction between molecules are different in liquids, and this is responsible for the variance in physical properties. A. Surface tension. It is the property whereby the molecules on the surface of the liquid do not experience the same intermolecular forces as those within the liquid. The effect of surface tension. Surface tension tends to reduce the surface area of a liquid. The degree of reduction in the surface area is determined by the surface tension, which in turn depends on the intermolecular forces present. An example of two liquids with different surface tensions is water and mercury. A droplet of water will tend to spread out, whereas a drop of mercury will be a spherical ball. This is because there is greater surface tension in a mercury droplet than there is in a drop of water. Shapes of the droplets of two materials due to surface tension. Another example of the effect of surface tension is the perfectly spherical shape of soap bubbles. Soap solution, detergents, and alcohol lower the surface tension of most liquids. B. Viscosity. This is a property of certain fluids which causes them to offer resistance to the flow of other substances, either solids or liquids, through them. Cohesion and adhesion. The particles making substances are held together by intermolecular forces of attraction, which are grouped in two major categories according to their action. 1. Cohesive forces, cohesion. It is the intermolecular forces of attraction acting between molecules of the same substance. If these forces are strong, then the surface tension is strong and the surface area of the liquid is reduces. When the liquid with very strong cohesive forces are put in a container, they form a convex meniscus. When the liquids with weak cohesive forces are put into a container, they form a concave meniscus. Adhesive forces, adhesion. This is the intermolecular forces of attraction acting between molecules of different substances. E.g., the cohesive forces between the mercury molecules are stronger than the adhesive forces between mercury and glass molecules, and subsequently the mercury meniscus in glass container is convex. This is opposite for water, and the meniscus are concave. It is even the reason why water wets glass whilst mercury does not. The two types of meniscus. Another example of the effect of cohesion and adhesion is the rise of liquids in very narrow capillary tubes. Change of liquid state. When a liquid is heated at high temperature, the particles move faster, intermolecular forces of attraction decrease and intermolecular spaces reduce. This results in the liquid changing the state and turns into gas. This process is known as evaporation. Evaporation on the surface of a liquid occurs at any temperature, but it is very slow. However, when a liquid is boiling, this change takes place everywhere in the liquid and is very fast. The process opposite to evaporation is called condensation, change of gas into liquid. Thanks for your attention. Kindly like and share our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to be the first to receive the next learning video. You may also give us a comment to suggest what topic you would like us to cover. See you later.